Roberts, our team of workplace furniture experts partners with you to craft a furniture solution that can help reinforce your mission, values, and brand, increase employee wellness and satisfaction, improve recruitment and retention, save time and money without compromising quality, and much more. To do that, your dedicated salesperson and designer leverage furniture design and space planning technology to create visuals that help you and your project team evaluate options, make changes, and see what the final product will look like before it is ordered and installed, giving you clarity and confidence throughout the process. After our team of administrative professionals orders your furniture, our project manager works with you and our professional in-house installers to bring what you see on the page to life in your workplace, creating a work of art that is equally functional, comfortable, and beautiful, like this recent installation of new office furniture by our contract furniture manufacturer friends at Hahn. Foy Case Goods by Hahn combine durable steel with solid and wood grain laminates, using top quality materials and legendary workmanship. Simply select the desired size or shape. With expressive aesthetic options, increased attention to personal storage needs, and multiple surface heights so you can change positions regularly and easily, Foy is exactly what you need to tackle the new workday. The Ignition Reactive Back Task Chair gives you total control over both the look and the feel of your seating. A natural reclining mechanism and adjustable back height are designed to fit your body and your unique posture preferences. A variety of arm styles put the upper body support right where you need it. It's the office assistant who will help take the pressure and stress off even the longest day of work. Take collaboration to a higher level with the Flock Square Lounge Chair. With its exceptional comfort and mobility, this chair is a perfect fit for spaces that require flexibility. Choose from 4 different leg options and a variety of Hahn fabrics to create a customized chair that matches your company's style. Wherever people migrate in your office, Flock is there to support them. With products like the Hahn Voy and Flock series and more, our Benjamin Roberts team of contract workplace furniture experts is here to help you create art in your workplace. Contact us to learn more. Thank you.